Hey guys, Esha here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the braided pony pigtail look that you guys saw on my Instagram and on my Get Ready With Me. I know a lot of you guys wanted to know how I create it. It's super simple and so fun to get your hair out of the way, but still make it cute and fun. All you're gonna need is a fine tooth comb brush and 2 clear elastics or any kind of elastics you want. So if you guys have been curious on how I achieve this look, keep on watching and let's get braiding. So to begin, I just centered off my entire hair in 2 even parts. And if you really want to secure one side and that you don't get any of the braid on one end, you can just put an elastic in one of the pony. So we're gonna start with this end. So basically what I want to do first is I'm gonna take one part of hair. I'm gonna separate it in 3 sections. Now, the way that I like to do it is I like to bring my hair under like this. And what that's gonna do is that the braid is gonna be a little bit more 3-dimensional. But if you bring your hair over, you're gonna create more of a different kind of braid. For me, I like to tease out my braid and have it super textured. So basically the whole gist of this is that you're gonna wanna take your exterior strands and bring them underneath as opposed to bring them over. So let's get started. I always do 3 first. So like I make sure that each strand went underneath, and I'm slowly gonna incorporate a little bit more hair as I continue to braid it in. The beginning is really easy, so I'm just gonna fast forward a little bit through this. Now what's important with this is that you really want your hair to be smooth here, so you don't want to have any bumps. So you might need to take your brush again to brush out the strand. I'm gonna just really focus on making sure that it's flat. And you do want your braid to be tight because we are gonna loosen it afterwards, but at first you really want it to be as tight as possible and the closest to the scalp as possible. Once you get close to the, like right before your neck starts, that's where I want most of my braid to already be picked up. So I'm just gonna start grabbing a little bit bigger chunks because my braid ends exactly where my neck starts. So I'm gonna take the rest of my hair here and braid it in. And I'm gonna continue my braid just a little bit longer to just get a good grip. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna take a rubber elastic. You can take any elastic you want. I really like these rubber elastics just because they're clear and you kind of focus a little bit more on just the hairstyle as opposed to the elastic, but you can have a fun elastic if you want. It's really based on your preference. So I like to tighten it so that the braid really ends where the ponytail starts. And it's a preference, like you can make your braid a little bit longer if you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side so you guys can see it. I'm gonna speed it up and I'm gonna show you how I complete this look. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna kind of braid it a little bit further. And then take the elastic. And I like to put my pony high so that it's really stuck to my hair. Really stuck to like the end, like right before my neck starts. So I have both braids on, and if you want to keep it like that, you totally can. I like when my braids are really voluminous. You're gonna hold on to the elastic and you're gonna slowly start to pull some of your hair. Do this gently and do it a little bit at a time because sometimes you can pull and you're gonna have to start all over if you pull too much hair out. So I like to start from the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we're here. and I like to make it really dramatic. So it really kind of looks like a crown. So if I would have done the braid the other way, it wouldn't have given me that voluminous look. It's still a pretty look, it's just not exactly the look that you guys asked for. So this is the reason why I said that it's really important for your braid to be tight, because you want everything here to be smooth and you just want that texture to be where the braid is. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. If you do have bangs, keep in mind that you want to be a little bit more gentle when you pull hair here, because you might get some strand that stick out a little bit. So you can keep going if you want. You can have it a little bit more full or a little bit larger. And this is a really good tip to pull them out, especially when you have thin hair, because you might think like, I can't pull off really thick braids. You can. You just have to tease them out and really play around until you get the volume you want. You can also choose to have like a little bit, I have my mom hair that's still growing in or anything like that, that's still growing out. So yeah, there you have it. That's the style that I had on 2 days ago on my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I think I'm gonna be doing a little bit more hair videos just because it looks like you guys are into it, and I'm glad you are. Well, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye guys.